outstanding students. So she must see that I am in this. She comes up and she helps everyone in our own level. Now, so Zeba, when I speak about Zeba, she is also very good. She helped me a lot in my practice teaching. When I was not knowing anything about, she was teaching each and everything. She did not feel that I am a sister like that and all. She came to my level and she was teaching. So what I want to say, you all are very good and you all have the different characters and the abilities. You are after coming this institution, you are flourishing with all the abilities and the characters. So when we go out of this college, we have to keep it up. So that is what I wanted to say. So we have to practice in our daily life. And also as when I spoke with the first years, what can we say to the second years? So they too are telling they are very happy, they are helping. They felt that you are a sister, like a sister for them. In each moment you are helping them. Actually, Rakshita and Arshita, Priyanka, all were speaking good about you. You have helped them in practice teaching internship also. The cultural program, the prayers, the PPT, everything. So even though our teachers they were there, but when we learn with our peers, no, it touches heart more. So like that, we are very happy with you. Thank you, dear seniors, for your wonderful things which you have done. Even though we are leaving this institution, we keep in our hearts, and also we try to teach our seniors, those who are our juniors, those who are coming us, what are the things you have taught us. So thank you, dear seniors, and thank you, dear sister, and for all the teachers.
My life and now it's so great. Slowing down, I look around and I'm so amazed. I think about the little things that make life great. I wouldn't change a thing about it. This is the best feeling. This innocence is brilliant. I hope that it will stay. This movement is perfect. Please don't go away. I Please don't go away. I need you now, and I hold on to it. Don't you let it pass you by. Thank you so much.
From whom? As Madam told, each one is unique in your own way. 12 students are there. 12 students are unique in 12 ways. I cannot say she is very intelligent or some are very good in academics, some are good in sports, some are good in cultural activities, art, craft. So each one is a blessing of God. First of all, you have chosen a right institution. You all came here and you have done your course. Your course is almost over. Only thing is the examination is pending. Okay, so our institution has given all kinds of academic experiences. Okay. Though you are interested or not interested, sometimes what is there in the syllabus, sometimes we have gone beyond the syllabus. Okay, so we have given all kinds of experiences. The main purpose is a trainee, a student teacher, one who goes out of the institution, out of St. Teresa, is like a package, a complete package. Not just good in teaching or good in writing lesson plan. Okay, so it is like a complete package. All kinds of abilities, potentialities, skill. Okay, everything should be there. So in this regard, the institution has made a lot of effort to develop all necessary potentialities, abilities, and the skills. And I hope you all have acquired those skills, abilities, and knowledge. Some are expressive, some are not so good in expressive. Some are good in writing and some are good in verbal expression. I have seen. Okay, so I think you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು ಮೇರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಮೇರಿ ಮಿಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದಾಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಅವಾಗ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗೇ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಲಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಓದೋದು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಂದಿರಿಸಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ರೀಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಓದಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ಆ ಥರ ಓದಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪೇ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ನಂದು ಓದುವಾಗ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಅದು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಓದಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಓದೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ನಾಲೆಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತುಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಿರೋದು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
I was blind enough. 2 years I have sat in my house, like financial issues and all. But after that I came and joined. I forgot totally everything what I have studied in my this one also second years or everything I forgot. Here also how it will be. I was thinking how it will be, how I will manage everything. I was thinking. Then by day I learned something here when I came here, like how to come forward and talk to everyone, how to.
In the St. Teresa College, I learned many things in A to Z. I don't know the reading, writing, everything. I am poor and very poor in English also. But when I joined this institution, I learned many things into writing, reading, and in speaking everything. And then I got plenty of friends, and then this memory is wonderful in my life. I have to ನಾನು ನೆನಪಿಸ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಈ ನೆನಪುಗಳನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
In front of everyone. I was very nervous to speak in front of everyone. Then I felt like the year only I came and learned this and all things. Then my lecturer also helped me in so many ways, like where I feel struggle to do that one. They was helping and making me to understand, and I was getting more and making like used to do it. I learned so many things like charts to do, then models, then how to teach the children. Now I am very confident to speak. Like in my further studies, after this I am going for degree or schools also. I will do my best there also. Like how to manage these charts and all. I will use and teach for the students also. Very well. I will bring one student.
Very nice.
Good morning.
I want to say only I want to say only 2 lines. This is my second mother home. ನಾನು 2ನೇ ತವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಥರ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ನ ಪಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್. ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋರು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
Initially, when I joined the college, it was like, oh, why did I ever choose this course? I think I will not be able to complete it. I think I have to discontinue. I don't want to continue. I used to tell, and most of the time I used to tell to the lecturers also, I don't want to continue. But they used to like push me, telling, no, you have the ability to do. You have to do. And most of the time, even sister has said, you have most ability to do, but you are not doing. You have to do. You have to overcome all things. And most of the time, whenever I have any problem, when I go and share it with any of the lecturers or teachers, they were like, they used to speak to me so friendly, and they used to guide me. And most of the time, they used to not tell me, do this and do this, but they used to give me time to think and to take the decision what is right for me. So I'm very thankful to sister about this, that she has most of the time she was there with me in my bad times and helped me out, mostly in first year. She gave me the courage that I can do most of the things. I'm very thankful to sister and all my lecturers. And when I come to my friends, my classmates, I have so many memories where I will never forget that. And in my even my other like till my second PU, I did not create so many memories with anyone. I used to be very quiet. After coming to this college only, now I don't even shiver when I hold the mic. But when I used to go to other colleges or even in my school, they were telling she doesn't know anything. Let she sit. First rankers come, you speak and you go. But here they don't even like teachers don't tell your rank student or the average student or the low student. But they give chance for each and every person. And most of the time it is like I learned
Standing here, really, I don't want it, and I was not capable to do. I was not capable to stand in front of someone and speak. She is the one who was encouraging me. She is the one who was giving confidence. You can do it. Any situation, we are there. Why you are feeling like this? Don't do. She was very much. I can't express that much. She was convincing me, and she made me to stand here. And all my lecturers who were always tell you can do it. You are capable to do. You are the best. You can do it. And my friends, in any situation, sometimes I used to tell you what so much they are giving, I am not able to do. But they were the one who was telling, don't worry, we are there to help you always. Don't worry, we will do and give you. Don't worry, we will write and give you. Like that they were telling. And the teachers were, anytime I used to call at evening or morning, at night also, they used to pick up my call and they used to guide me. Most of the time, Saubhagya ma'am and Mary ma'am. And sister, any situation, I will come and ask sister like this happened. She used to tell, okay, it happened, now you can do it, now go on. So I was not thinking that I will come forward to my goal. Because of sister and all my lecturers, I came step forward to my goal. I wanted to become a good teacher. So because of them, I have taken one step forward to my goal. Thank you so much, sister. And with my friends, each friend, I have each memory. I can't express. I have laughed with you. I enjoyed everything. Each one of is different. If I go on explaining, it will take too long. So I'm going to miss you, everyone. Keep touch with me. Thank you so much.
Feeling sad because so much I have done, sister is not appreciating, and after that I myself was telling I can do better next time. Like that I was keep telling to myself and I was doing. And from each lecturers I have learned many things, especially from Saubhagya ma'am I have learned like managing time and ICT, because I am not means for PPT many things I was not knowing. When we were going to ICT class, ma'am was telling like this. And so many things I have learned, and ma'am was saying that everything should be perfect. You should what you are doing, it should be perfect. And Mary ma'am, when she was giving some papers or something, she was giving like feedback, like positive things also, like improving things. And from Jagdish sir, he was encouraging us in each and everything. And Paramashivam sir was coming and talking. If we will not go to sir to talk, he will come and he will speak. And he will tell you can do better, you are doing good, like that. Coming to my friends, I learned many things and they were encouraging me and they were supported me. Thank you.
ಬಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫೈನ್ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ನೋಡು, ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾನು ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೆಮೋ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 3 ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಫಾದರ್, ನೀನು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಡೆಮೋಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ನಾನು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನೀವೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸರಿಪಡಿಸಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ತೆರಸದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಾದರ್ ನನಗೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ನೀನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ನಿನಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಕಲಿಸಿರೋ ಟೀಚರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿನಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಫಾದರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ I thank to all my teachers and sisters, because sister is forcing me when is talking Kannada, sister tell to us speak in English. That's all I try to my best level. Father told sister you father ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಆ ಥರ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓದ್ರಿ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿನಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
First of all, I wanted to thank our principal, Mr. Prema, and our class teacher, Miss Mary Kumari ma'am, and Saubhagya ma'am, Paramashwan sir, also Jagdish sir. They are made us a wonderful human. I want to tell one difference in my life. So before, when I walk in my native place, they will tell. If somebody asks who is she is in the name of my father, they will identify me. Now, my others will identify my father. She is Anisha's father. So it is very happy. So I learned so many things. As my friend said, whatever they told, I learned so many things from each and everyone. So the very different colors they are. So every color give one meaning. So like that only you are guys. You are very wonderful, and I learned so many things with my friends, my junior and my classmates, even teachers also. So I am very thankful to this institution. So I felt so proud of myself. And as I am going to teach children, so I learned many things because of you teachers. I am really thankful to you. I am really grateful. Thank you.
Every time I feel I should become nurse like that, because my cousins and all studying science only and they have taken nursing only. Whatever they will do, I am following them. But one day my uncle came and, why you are wasting your time by doing degrees and all? You should help your parents by earning some money. How many years they will work for you? You should contribute your by you only you should contribute them. Like that he told and he joined here. When I came to this college first day, I was not feeling why I should come here like that. I don't know English and all. How can I mingle with everybody? They are talking nicely English and all. Why I should go? Let me go out like that. I was feeling. Then first day Christy first talk with me. Hi, what is your name like that? That I can't able to reply. My name is this. I'm from here, this background. I'm from here like that. I'm not able to tell. I was sleep. I'm so silent. I'm sitting aside. They are nicely. They are enjoying. I was observing. After that, one day by day I joined with Christy and Anisha, Chaitra, and I learned how to talk English and all. And Rajeshwari also helped me. Yes, in the first year when I went to St. Joseph's School for practice teaching, I was not able to talk in English. That ma'am said, is she St. Teresa students like that, she asked. Then she said, she is Kannada medium and she is learning now. Now she is learning like that. She motivated me in first year, Rajeshwari. And sister, now I'm proud and I'm going to become teacher. Because of you only, sister. I am fully forgot this nursing course. If I see my cousin sister also, I am not feeling why I couldn't able to become like her. I will teach her. She is to come to here, sister, to enjoy with the children and all. I used to send photos and all, my practice teaching internships.
Good afternoon, everyone. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನನಗೆ ನೀಲಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ಮೆಟ್ಲು ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನೀಲಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಯ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನಗಿಂತ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗೋದು. ಮೇಲ್ಕೊಂಡವರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೇಲ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ನೀಲಮ್ಮನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ನನಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಹಂಗೆ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದೆ. ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ತೀಸಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾನೇನಾದರೂ ತೀಸಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರು ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೊತ್ತು ನನಗೇನು ಕಾಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ನೀನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್, ನೀವು ಅವತ್ತ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನದ ಮುಂದೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ರಂಜಿತಕ್ಕ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೀನು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪು ಮತ್ತು ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಾ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
A day to say goodbye with all the management and our teachers who are retired, and it was a very great day. Planned